It's time to get started on my next motorcycle. I've been collecting parts for this project for a little while. Here's what I've got so far. So I'm building a 1973 XL250 to do the Rubicon Trail. What I'm starting with is a TL250 engine. I'm going to use the XL250 cylinder and head. Got an MR250 rear wheel, some shocks, fenders, the frame, which I bought offline, came with a title. So this will have to be street legal. It'll have to be able to go about 60 miles an hour to be able to get to the trail. Got to have enough gas on the trail. And then I got some forks, some MR250. I brought the frame and a few other parts to the car wash so I can get everything cleaned up. Now I've got the frame clean, the swing arm and the triple trees. I'm going to clean the engine so I can swap the cylinder heads. So I've got the engine clean for now, and it's time to swap the cylinder heads from the TL to the XL. And I also found some damage to the side cover, so I'll have to take that off and see if there's anything else that's messed up. So a look at the damage from the broken chain. The upper case has some damage in here, and it's bent, but not too bad. I might replace the top case. But the hole, this will have to be replaced. Luckily it doesn't go all the way into the motor, so there's no water or anything in the bottom end. So now to swap the cylinder heads so I can get it mocked up in the frame. So I've got the engine cleaned up with the XL head on it. Got this part cleaned up. There's still a hole in the outer case. That'll have to be replaced, but this is just for mock-up now. So here are a few things I use to clean. For degreasing, I use this Formula 88. It's about half the price of Simple Green, and it works pretty good. For the aluminum, one of the best things I've found to use is this etching mag wheel cleaner, and that really cleans it up bright. And I also use a lot of brake cleaner. So it's cleaned up for now. It's time to put it in the frame so I can start mocking up things to go on it. So I got the frame on the lift and it's ready to set the engine in. So that's it for episode 1. I got the engine in the frame and they're both cleaned up. The next episode, I'm gonna get the suspension on. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments.